What's going on, guys? Hope you're doing well. My name is TJ. Today I'm going to be reviewing this beautiful multi-purpose cabinet. Now this is going to be located in the front of my home. This is my front door. So whenever I come in, this is a beautiful entryway table that just captures so much attention and looks amazing. Not only does this look so beautiful, but it's also going to serve so many different functions. Let me show you. So as I come into my house, perfect height to just drop my keys, drop my wallet, throw a bag on here, and then I'm heading into the kitchen to grab a bite to eat. But this is just gonna be a perfect spot just to drop a couple things here and there. Maybe I'm gonna run back out later in the day and I can just grab my stuff real quick and easy. So it's a great height to be able to set stuff on. Now let's go ahead and take a closer look so I can show you some of these amazing features. As you can see, the color on this is beautiful. This also comes in a black and a blue at the time of this video, but this is gonna be a very gorgeous green. And this is gonna be a timeless piece. This is gonna have a vintage look to it. And let me show you how amazing these handles are. So much detail in these handles. It's gonna have a aged bronze look with these nice roses on here. That looks absolutely amazing. And I love the contrast with the bronze and the green. Now, as you can tell here, I do have some lighting in the back because you can really stagger this up with some awesome decor in the back that'll make it pop and change the whole look of the cabinet. Now, we have these very symmetrical arched doors going all the way around. These are going to be fluted and very easy to clean, by the way. They just look amazing. Now, let me go ahead and open this up. The handles are super easy to open. Silent and smooth doors as you open this right up. We do have a little bit of metal here because it does close very nicely to that magnet. Now these shelves are totally adjustable too. So you have 3 different holes that you can actually put this on. So you can lift this up and you can adjust this up depending on the decor that you want to put in here. But I ended up putting a light in here that's just a battery powered light just to have a little accent. But as you can see, I placed it right in front of the fluted door. Also have a backup candle. So much storage down here. And I like the fluted look because it still gives you privacy of what's behind here, but it also gives you the opportunity to put some really cool decor back here and be very creative. Now let's take a look at these legs on the bottom. We're gonna have a nice gold accent on the bottom. These are not gonna have an anti-tip kit, but I will say I didn't have an issue with that whatsoever. They do have a felt pad attachment for the bottom, so you can slide this around if you want to on your hardwood floor. And by the way, the structure of these solid wood legs is beautiful. And in the middle, we do get the anti-tip kit right there. Now, while I'm looking underneath, I want to show you how much room is actually under here. Now, I have a robot vacuum and I have zero problem with it whatsoever because the clearance in here fits a robot vacuum very easily. So that can go under there, clean the floor very easily, and I don't have to worry at all. And here's my little robot vacuum that I have no problem going underneath that cabinet. Now, having this over my entryway, I was a little bit worried about this being too wide, but it's absolutely perfect. You can see it doesn't take up much room at all. It's nice and narrow, but still deep enough to actually be practical and of good use. So as you can see, I ended up just putting some decor on the top. You could put flowers, books, candles, lamps, and really just make this your own. Now I love this material because this is going to be made with a high quality MDF board. It's going to be scratch resistant and water resistant. Now, if I put a little bit of water on here, I can easily wipe that up with a paper towel and it leaves no mess and no stress. And as you can see, that water is drying up so quickly. I'm actually gonna show you how easy this is to change the height of the cabinet. So these are gonna be completely removable. Pull out these little metal pins and just place them in the hole desired. Once you place those in the hole desired, take your board, and you can place that right in there just like that. And as you can see, I just lifted the shelf up to the highest level. So now if you want to put something a little bit bigger on the bottom, you absolutely can. And this is just a quick comparison to show you the highest level and the lowest level. And there's also one adjustment in between. I even like how depending on where you put that board height, it makes a nice line that's the same color as the board. So if you want that line to be lower, in the middle, or up top, it just gives you a lot of different depth and contrast. This cabinet cabinet looks amazing and it functions even better. My wife loves this and we get a ton of compliments on this. It's a super practical piece and looks so stylish and timeless. This would be perfect for an entryway. You could also put this in your kitchen as a buffet board. You can use this as a coffee bar, even a TV console. There's so many different uses you can use this for. I absolutely love this. Make sure you check out all the other colors, add this to your Amazon cart, and I'll see you guys in the next video.